Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can earn $356.14 per day using Pinterest 10 minutes a day. Yes, you can make money online. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now, you can go to Pinterest and you can continue with email, Facebook, or your Google account. You can search for an idea. What do you want to try next? Think something that you are into, like easy chicken dinner, and see what you find. You can also save ideas you like, collect your favorites so you can get back to them later, such as Fern Future Home Vibes, Serve My Drinks in Style, My Scandinavian Bedroom, The Deck of My Dreams, and Our Bathroom Upgrade. See it, make it, try it, do it. The best part of Pinterest is discovering new things and ideas from people around the world. Now, let's try to sign up with Pinterest. Let's put our email address, but you can also continue with Facebook. Create your password, and then enter your birth date. We collect this info to help provide a better experience for the younger people in our community. We will also use your birth date to help personalize your recommendations and ads. Now click on Done. You also have to enter your gender. This helps us show you more relevant content. We won't show this on your profile. Now, what are you interested in? Pick 5 to customize your home feed. Wallpapers, memes, quotes, photography, writing, art, flowers, anime. Let's select only 5. Try this quotes, photography, music, travel, and let's try on K-pop music. Then click on Done. Now, almost done. Get the app to make the most of your account. You can open app or continue in browser. For now, let's stay on browser. We have here on Pinterest. You can see this post here. This is what you will see on your homepage. Now, what we are going to do is to click on your profile. You can see here your name, your followers, following, your email address, and your post. Let's try to edit our profile. Click on Settings, and here, click on Edit Profile. First thing we will do is change our profile picture. But before we do that, let's go to pixabay.com. You can download free images here that you can use as your profile. Now, let's feature food on our Pinterest. Search for delicious foods. And here, you can see 17,105 free images of delicious foods. And these are all free to download. You can see this high quality picture here. Let's search for the images that we can use as our profile. Let's try this one, this ice cream. Click on that. Then click on download. And you can download this picture in different resolutions. Now after downloading the picture, let's go back to Pinterest. Click on change. Then select the picture that we have downloaded. And there we have successfully changed our profile picture. Let's now put our last name and tell your story. And to do that, let's save this first. Go to search box and search for delicious foods. Let's search for a post and then click on that. Click on the profile. And here, you can see his or her bio and you can copy that. Let's copy only the first sentence. Then, let's go to quillbot.com to rephrase our sentence because we will use that as our bio. You can paste the sentence here. And then, click on paraphrase. From all you need is love, but a little chocolate now and then doesn't hurt, to love is all you need. However, a little chocolate every so often is okay. Let's try to change the last word here. Click on that, and there are some words that you can choose here. Now let's copy this sentence. And let's go back to Pinterest. Paste it here on About. Then, under Website, we can put our affiliate link. We can go to CPA Grip to get the link, or you can also use ClickBank. We are now here at CPA Grip. Let's search here on the top performing offers. Select a product. Let's try this one. And here you can earn $3.42 if they click on that link. Let's copy the link. Then go back to Pinterest. Let's continue editing the profile. You can paste the link here under Website. So you can earn money if they click on that link. After that, you can now click on Done. And let's try to see our profile. You can see your profile picture, your username, your bio. Love is all you need. However, a little chocolate at times is okay. Now, you can also see your affiliate link here. Whenever they visit your profile, they can see this link, and if they click on that, they'll be directed at CPA Grip. And you will earn money using Pinterest. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question on this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.